Welcome back to Gelato Sundae. Every week we look at some crypto projects and how they're using Gelato for smart contract automation. On this episode, we'll look at Web3 gaming, automated money streaming, and more, and how Gelato is making it happen. The Martian Premier League is a collection of 10,000 unique human and Martian characters living on the Ethereum blockchain, which are your route into their Marsverse. The MPL is actually a football management game, where holders can train, trade, and compete in leagues. Apparently, the founder's favorite team was sold to someone he didn't think should own the club. So he wanted to start something else that could become the best football league in the galaxy. I think many of us sports fans can relate to that struggle. Every week, MPL holds risk challenges, which are games where players face different probabilities of success or failure. For one of their game smart contracts, they're using Gelato to automate the keeper reveal. So this is an example of how Gelato can be used to help Web3 gaming run more smoothly for players with automation. Another gaming example is Metaland. They're an RPG in Monsters perspective that balances strategy with a complete social system and a strong meta-universe immersion. Players can claim their own lands, organize their own monster teams to adventure in the map, and collect powerful treasures. Metaland is using Gelato for a batch adventure smart contract function. The function runs every day and loops through a list of summoners to access a rarity adventure. Carbonic Finance is an algorithmic stablecoin protocol, and it's kind of cool because they're aimed at bringing sustainability to the Polygon ecosystem through carbon-backed treasury reserves. There's a token called Base Carbon Tons, which is the tokenized version of verified carbon units or BCUs that are issued to help protect the environment. One BCT token references 1 ton of carbon removed from the environment as a fungible ERC20 token. By pegging the protocol to the price of BCT, Carbonic can algorithmically represent the value of more tons of carbon removed from the environment with an elastic supply of CO2, which can also generate yield opportunities with seigniorage. And this is where Gelato comes in. Like many protocols, Carbonic is using Gelato to automate an Oracle update that keeps price averages accurate. RoboVault has developed a single asset yield farming strategy designed to give users the upside of higher yields from providing liquidity to automated market makers, while limiting the potential downside from extreme market movements by automatically creating hedged positions. Vault also automatically compound yield farm reward tokens, while also rebalancing Vault holdings over time to minimize exposure to impermanent loss. RoboVault is using Gelato to automate harvesting. When the harvest function is executed automatically by Gelato, the strategy reports to the Vault so profits can be taken in, newly available funds borrowed, or otherwise adjust the position, as well as automatically reinvest any leftover returns. Superfluid is a leading asset streaming protocol on EVM networks. It recently launched a new feature that enables the ability to further automate money streams. Prior to this launch, only the sender of a money stream had the ability to make updates to the stream. This was cool, but just like the ERC20 token's approval functionality enabled innovation in DeFi, adding an approval layer on top of money streams will enable more innovation in real-time finance. By using Superfluid's access control list feature, you can grant other parties granular permission over your streams. Just like ERC20 contracts allow you to approve protocols to move funds on your behalf. This enables automation platforms like Gelato to create, update, and delete money streams on command for you, based on any arbitrary parameter you'd like to set. Using Superfluid and Gelato in unison opens up the potential for new cutting-edge products, like a robo-advisor service that can dollar cost average on your behalf, using Superfluid to stream into LP positions based on market conditions, or automated money streaming for DAOs that pay their contributors using Superfluid. With Gelato's help, the Superfluid community has already produced several early-stage products and proof of concepts around this idea, and you can find links to the examples in the description below. If you're liking these Gelato Sundays, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment letting us know what you'd like to hear about next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back next Sunday.